Welcome to our channel, FASTCABLING. So today, we are pushing the boundaries of IP cameras range. Imagine reaching an incredibly 2,500 feet with a single Cat5e cable. How? By harnessing the power of a long-range PoE switch. And the challenge of deploying IP cameras over long distances present various hurdles that need to be addressed for a reliable and efficient civilian system. Traditional setups often struggle with signal degradation and power loss as the distance between the cameras and the network source increases. And this can result in poor image quality, intermittent connectivity, and an overall compromised security network. And the need for a solution that can effectively extend the range without compromising the performance is crucial. Modern civilians demand a robust infrastructure that can cover expansive area while maintaining high-quality video feed and stable connection. And overcoming the challenges of long-range IP camera deployment require innovative technology and equipment designed to extend both power and data transmission seamlessly, and ensuring civilian network can operate effectively across extended distances. And long-range PoE switches are a cutting-edge solution designed to address the limitation of traditional setup when it comes to deploying IP cameras over extended distance. Unlike conventional methods that might require complex daisy chaining or additional equipment, long-range PoE switch offer a streamlined approach to extending the reach of IP cameras. And these switches leverage power over Ethernet technology, allowing both power and data to be transmitted over a single Cat5e cable. And this innovative design eliminates the need for multiple cables and extensive wiring, simplifying the installation process while providing a reliable and efficient solution for long-range IP camera deployment. And by extending the power and data transmission capabilities, long-range PoE switches ensure that civilian network can cover expansive area without compromising on performance. And selecting the right long-range PoE switch is important for ensuring optimal performance and reliability in your IP camera deployment. Evaluate the power requirements of your IP cameras and other connected devices, and ensure that the long-range PoE switch can provide an adequate power budget to support all connected devices simultaneously. And consider the number of IP cameras and other devices that you need to connect. Choose a switch with sufficient port capacity to accommodate your current needs and allow for future expansion. And verify that the long-range PoE switch is compatible with your IP cameras and other network equipment. So opt for a long-range PoE switch that offers straightforward installation process. So now we're in front of the demonstration board. We are going to connect to a PoE bullet camera and using a 500 meters Ethernet cable in between. And we're going to use this 4-port long-range PoE switch. It has PoE power extender feature to bring maximum of PoE distance for IP cameras requiring a continuous Ethernet run of up to 2,500 feet. It has 4 100 megabit per second RJ45 PoE ports and 2 100 megabit per second RJ45 Ethernet uplink port. It is compatible with the IEEE 802.3 AF and AT standard, supply up to 30 watts of maximum output power. And the power source is already built in the long-range PoE switch, so no additional AC outlet is required near the connected PDs. So by using the long-range PoE switch alone, you can extend the distance up to 600 feet, that's about 250 meters. But with a PoE adapter at the edge, now you can achieve up to 2,500 500 feet, that's about 800 meters continuous run, and nothing else is required in between, only a single Ethernet cable. So next we are going to do a connection using the long-range PoE switch and adding the adapter by our bullet camera. So here we have our long-range PoE switch, a router to provide the network data, and an NVR. First, I'm going to use a short patch cord to connect the router to our NVR. And then I'm going to connect our router to our long-range PoE switch to provide data. And next, I'm going to use an Ethernet cable to plug in to the long-range PoE switch. Coming over here, we have a 300 meters Ethernet cable and a 200 meters. So I'm going to use a coupler to join them together, so we can have total 500 meters. This is just a simple coupler to join them together. Total 500 meters Ethernet cable, and we are going to connect it with our PoE adapter. Just like this. This is the input port, this is the output port. Using a short patch cord to connect the output port with our bullet camera. I already hear the sound, so the indicated light should be turning on soon. So now our bullet camera is receiving both power and data from 500 meters away. And I'm going to wave my hand to show you this is a live video. And only a single Ethernet cable is between the whole connection. So when employing long-range PoE switches for IP cameras extension, several additional considerations can enhance the overall system performance and reliability. Firstly, prioritize the use of high-quality Cat5e or Cat6 Ethernet cable to ensure optimal signal integrity over extended distances. And for outdoor installations, employ weatherproofing measures, including outdoor rated enclosure for the switch. Incorporate surge protector to safeguard equipment from power surge or lightning strikes, particularly in exposed outdoor setting. Also calculates the power budget, accounting for the power requirement of each IP camera. And optimal switch placement, considering the civilian area's layout, is vital for balanced power and data distribution. For a larger network, explore network segmentation to improve efficiency by reducing broadcast traffic. And these considerations collectively contribute to a robust, weather resistance, and high-performance IP camera deployment using the long-range PoE switch. And congratulations, you've just successfully boosted your IP camera range to an impressive 2,500 feet with a single Ethernet cable and a long-range PoE switch. So are you ready to take your civilian to new distances? Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos for more technology insights. And thank you very much for joining us today, and I'll see you in the next video.